to heard the sound no one hear. Only will the world, or are there more? Just no one hear them. Hello and welcome to 52 Hertz, a podcast that take you deep into the silence that's full of sound. The sound of a heart waiting for someone to ring here. Why 52 Hertz? Have you ever heard of the whale called 52 Hertz? It's a whale that scientists discovered. One who is unlike any other. Why most whales sing at frequency between 15 and 25 Hz. This one called out and 52 Hz, and it keeps covering year after year. But no whale ever answers back. That's why it came to be known as the loneliest whale in the world. We are not so different, are we? Sometimes we speak, but no one really hears. There are so many people in this world who feel just like the 52 Hz whale. We send out our voice, our feeling, but somehow no seem to listen. In classroom, in family, even among friends who seem to understand. We feel alone in the crowd, like we are speaking on a frequency no one can tune into. What do we use their voice for? Why does it matter? Our voice isn't just a beautiful sound. It's how they survive. They use sound to navigate a location, to find a mate, to stay connected with the pod, even across hundreds of kilometers. Their voice is their life, and when no one hears it, they live alone. Your voice matters too. The truth is, we are all the 52 Hz whale at some point in our life. But you know what? Your voice matters. Even if no one answers today, that doesn't mean no one here. Your voice may still be traveling just like a whale call that echoes across the deep sea for thousands of kilometers, waiting for someone to hear it one day. How can we listen to each other better? Sometimes listening isn't just about hearing with our ear. It's about listening with the heart. Try pausing for a moment. Look into someone's ear. Listen to the silent whisper their words. Sometimes the loud distinct isn't what said but was left unsaid. And in this quiet, we might just hear our longing be to understand. Thank you for listening to 52 Hertz. And remember, even if your voice feels quiet, it is never without value.